So good afternoon everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra, and today I'm going to discuss NCERT line to line question. So let's begin with question number 35 itself. So it says that charges were named negative and positive by. So charges are named negative and positive by the scientist Benjamin Franklin. So first one will be correct over here. Next is Benjamin Franklin was a Russian scientist, American scientist, Indian scientist or none. So he was a American scientist. Option number 2 is correct over here. Next is the philosophy in naming charges as positive and negative is. So first is positive and negative number can add to 0, or positive and negative number can't add to 0, so they can add to 0. So that must be the philosophy behind naming them as positive and negative. Next is positive charge exists on glass rod cats for both, so it is on both, so third option is correct over here. Next is negative charge exists on, so it is on plastic rod as well as silk, so here also third option will be correct. Next is if an object possess an electric charge, it is said to be, so then it is said to be electrified, so first is correct over here. Next is if an object has no charge, it is said to be electrically, so then it is said to be electrically neutral. Next question is in olden days electricity and magnetism were treated, so they were treated as separate subjects, they were studied separately, so second one is correct over here. Next is electricity dealt with charges on glass rod cats for batteries lightning on, so here all options will be correct, so fourth one will be correct over here. Next is magnetism deals with, so it deals with interaction of magnets, iron filings, compass needles, or all, so all is correct over here, so fourth one will be correct. Next is who first found that compass needle is deflected by passing electric current in a nearby wire, so it was first of all observed by the Danish scientist Oersted, so first option is correct over here. Next is the above observation was made in the year, so this observation was made in the year 1820. Next is question number 47. It is Ampere and Faraday supported the above observation by saying that first option is electric charges in motion produces magnetic field, or moving magnets generate electricity, both or none. So both the statements are correct over here, so third one will be correct over here. Next is question number 48, which says that the unification of electricity and magnetism was achieved by the first option is Scottish physicist Maxwell or the Dutch physicist Lorentz, or both or none. So it was done by both of them worked together to unify electricity and magnetism. Next question is the interdependency of electricity and magnetism is expressed as, so this interdependency is expressed as electromagnetism, so first option is correct over here. Next is question number 50, which says that most of the phenomena occurring around us can be described under, so this can be described under electromagnetism as in general life, at the general scale, at the macroscopic level, it is electromagnetic field which dominates. So all of the events, all of the forces like normal force, string, tension, friction, they can be explained by electromagnetism. So second option is correct over here. Next is virtually every force that we can think of have their origin in. So virtually every force as per the lines given in NCERT, it has their origin in electromagnetism. So first is correct over here. Next is question number 52. It says that origin from electromagnetism exist in. Friction, chemical force, forces describing processes in living cells or all. So it is all. So fourth option is correct over here. Next is electromagnetic forces. So first is one of fundamental forces of nature. So it is correct. First option is correct over here. Next is question number 54. Maxwell's equation plays same role in electromagnetism as played by. First is Newton's equation in mechanics. Second option is Einstein's equation in mechanics, both or none. So it is Newton's equation in mechanics. So first option is correct over here. Next is Maxwell argued that light is an electromagnetic wave. Second is its speed can be calculated by making pure electrical and magnetic measurements. So here both options are correct. So third is correct over here. Next is question number 56. Maxwell claimed that first is science of optics is intimately related to electricity. Second is science of optics is intimately related to magnetism, or both. So here both statements are correct. So third will be correct option here. Next is the foundation of modern technological civilization is on. The first part is science of electricity. Second is science of magnetism. Third is both, and fourth is none. The modern technical civilization are founded on both. So third option will be correct over here. Next is electric power. Telecommunication, radio and televisions are based on. So they are based on, first is principle of science, second is principle of philosophy, third is principle of history, fourth is principle of geography. So based on principle of science. So first one will be correct over here. Next is charged particles in motion exert electric force, magnetic force, both or none. So both will be correct over here. So here third option will be correct. Next is in a frame where all charges are at rest, forces are. So charges are at rest, so forces are purely electrical over here. So first one will be correct. Next is gravitation forces. First option is short range force, then is a long range force, then both and none. Then third is correct because gravitation force is a short range force. So first option, long range force. It exists in the entire universe. So second one is correct over here. Next is effect of gravitational force is experienced only when distance of interaction is small, or distance of interaction is large, both or none. So here because it is long range force, so it is felt. So third is correct over here. Next is electrical force is weaker than gravitation force, stronger than gravitation force, both or none. So it is stronger than gravitation force. So second one is correct over here. Next is gold leaf electroscope is an apparatus to detect. So it is an apparatus to detect charge on a body. So second option will be correct over here.